Hello students. In yesterday class in Biomolecules competitive part, we are already completed the few questions which are solved in the carbohydrates. Okay. Now the another part in the biomolecules is amino acids and proteins. Today we are going to discuss some of the synapses and some objective questions in that amino acids and proteins. In that first part is amino acids and its classification. Means you know already in your NCERT textbook what is the amino acids and its classification you clearly detailedly studied in CBSE 12th class NCERT textbook. Okay, so once again briefly revise it, that then we are going to the solving of MCQs. So here is the what is the amino acid? You know, there is a presence of the compound which is containing both amino group and carboxylic acid group, that we are calling as a amino acids. Our simple definition is when proteins is undergo hydrolysis, we are getting some simple compounds that we are calling as a amino acids, that we already know. So let us go to now. There's so many different type of amino acids is there. In that, what is the side? What is the structure we are going? And with the structure, we are going to discussing three letter symbols and also one letter symbol. This is three letter symbol, one letter symbol, which are useful in the biology, protein synthesis. So anyhow, we are discussing now. So first glycine side chain is H, symbol is GLY and it is called as G. Alanine, okay, this is a CH3 and it is called as ALA. And this on the valine, the side chain is CH3 twice CH and there is a valine and this is called as V. See, always keep your mind with this side chain we have main chain. What is the main chain is C CH, one side is NH2, other side is COOH. Okay, this is the side chain. Okay, so NH2 and COOH. So each and every amino acid, this is the only side chain. There is a main chain is also present in the form of what? CHNH2 COOH. So these are the so many types of amino acid that is called. After that there is a valine and after that there is a leucine. Okay, leucine side chain is like this. Okay, next is isoleucine. Okay, na. Next is this all are the isoleucine and this is the arginine. And keep your mind which amino acid having this star type of representation, that amino acid is called as essential amino acid. Where there is no any star mark, that we are calling as non-essential amino acid. So these are the single representation and three symbol representation. This all structures lysine. Lysine, there is a presence of what? One NH2 extra. Lysine, there is a in this main chain already there is a one NH2. With that side chain there is also present of what? Another NH2 group is extra. That's why lysine in the entire total structure it is having two NH2 groups. That's why lysine is belongs to the basic amino acid. Why lysine is a basic amino acid? Because here there is a more number of NH2 groups. Even you can look at the arginine also. Arginine also, when that their main structure, there is a one NH2 group is present, and there is a side chain, even there is a one NH2 group is present. That's why here two types of two NH2 groups are present. That's why this both is called as basic amino acid. Not only these two, another one also will come. We discussed that another one which is belongs to the basic amino acids. Now and arginine and lysine is belongs to the basic amino acid and also belongs to the essential amino acid. So let's come to the glutamic acid. Here glutamic acid, there is a presence of what one COOH group is extra is there. Already their main structure one COOH group is there. Here in their side chain another one more COOH group is extra is there. That's why it is belongs to the what acidic amino acid. See, this is a non-essential amino acid. Glutamic acid is a non-essential amino acid, and also it is a acidic amino acid. Which amino acid it is? Acidic. The amino acid is acidic amino acid. Okay. Next. Next, after the glutamic acid, there is a aspartic acid. As even though in aspartic acid there is a one COOH group is extra is there. When one COOH group is extra is there, then again it is belongs to the acidic amino acid. Okay, and the next one is glutamine. Glutamine, it is the one of the basic amino acid. Why it is a basic amino acid? See, glutamine is a non-essential amino acid. Why? Because there is no any star. Glutamine is a non-essential amino acid, and also it is a basic amino acid. Okay, and even you can keep remember that glutamine is also containing which functional group? This functional group is called as amide functional group. Which functional group? Amide. Keep your mind. So there is a one of the possible two question they will ask, which of the following amino acid is containing amide functional group? Okay, glutamine is a amide functional group. Why? If they ask, in that there is a presence of C double bond O, NH2 is another functional group. And aspargine, when you go for aspargine, in that aspargine structure, look at the structure, the aspargine even there is a presence of what? Amide. That's why even aspargine is also okay belongs to the what amide group containing functional groups amino acid. Next one is threonine. It's a very important threonine. Threonine character is it is containing alcohol functional group. Which of the following amino acid is containing OH group, or which of the following amino acid is containing hydroxy group? Hydroxy means OH group. So the threonine which is belongs to the containing of okay OH group in this their structure. Okay, next one is serine. Serine is very important, is it is also containing OH group in their structure, means hydroxy group in their structure, are also called as alcohol in their structure. Cysteine is a very important amino acid which is containing sulfur. Very important. Which of the following amino acid is belongs to the sulfur containing amino acid? Sulfur containing amino acid is a cysteine. Okay, next methionine. Methionine is nothing but the which is also belongs to the uh, what methionine is also belongs to the sulfur containing amino acid. Okay, next one is last Phenylalanine is very very important. Is which of the following amino acid is containing benzene group in their structure? Benzene group is there in the structure is belongs to the phenylalanine. Even there is a star mark is present here. This is the essential amino acid. Even methionine is also essential amino acid, but cysteine and serine is not belongs to essential. It is a non-essential amino acid. Tyrosine. Tyrosine is also containing phenol group containing amino acid, which is that phenol. Why? Because C6H4 is there. No, C6H4 is nothing but what benzene ring. In that OH group is attached, then it is called as phenol group containing amino acid. Tyrosine. Next is the tryptophan. Tryptophan is a very important. Is called as it is uh, a heterocyclic amino acid, heterocyclic group containing amino acid. Okay, tryptophan. Next one is histidine. Histidine is also belongs to the what heterocyclic group containing amino acid. Okay, na? And this is also called as pyrrole. This is called as pyrrole ring. So which of the amino acid is containing pyrrole group, pyrrole ring means then you can say that histidine is containing what pyrrole group amino acid. The last one is called as proline. Proline is again it is a containing heterocyclic group containing amino acid. So these are the different type of amino acids and their classification. So here only we are getting which is the essential amino acid and which is the non-essential amino acid. 10 belongs to the essential amino acid, 10 belongs to the non-essential amino acid. In their entire table, star mark what is there? No, it is called as essential amino acid. Star mark on which amino acid there is no any star mark, that is called as non-essential amino acid. And some of the amino acids are acidic amino acid, some of the amino acids are basic amino acid, some of the amino acids are sulfur containing amino acid, benzene group containing amino acid, OH group is containing amino acid, heterocyclic group containing amino acid. This all the amide group containing amino acid, hydroxy OH group containing amino acid. This all classification you get in this table. Now let's go to the MCQs on this topic. So amino acids is consist of but only NH2 groups and COOH groups, and both NH2 groups and COOH groups, and NH2 and SO3 groups. So in the definition only we clearly mention that amino acid is containing both NH group and COOH groups. Next MCQ is a sulfur containing amino acid is already two amino acids is belongs to sulfur containing amino acid. In that glycine there is no any sulfur containing amino acid, but in cysteine I think you already observed in the table there is a containing of sulfur, and alanine is not containing any sulfur, and leucine is also not containing any sulfur. Only cysteine is containing sulfur in their structure. Next, the essential amino acids are, see I already mentioned to you some of the amino acids is belongs to the essential amino acid, some of the amino acid is belongs to the non-essential amino acid. So in which of the following options is belongs to the essential amino acid? Glycine, alanine, glutamic acid, and isoleucine. Among that, tell me which is the essential amino acid? The essential amino acid is, okay, the definition is clearly mentioned that the amino acid which cannot be synthesized in our body, we should be take from the diet. Such type of amino acids are essential amino acid. In that, glycine is a non-essential, alanine is a non-essential, glutamic acid is a non-essential, which is already synthesized in our body. Only isoleucine, which is not synthesized in our body. That's why it is belongs to the uh, essential amino acid. Okay. Next, the basic amino acids are what is so already I mentioned two amino acids are belongs to the basic amino acids. So the definition of the basic amino acids is so which amino acid is containing more number of NH2 groups, that amino acids are belongs to the basic amino acids. Now tell me which is the base they are given the two pair which is belongs to the what basic amino acid. Lysine, and in this list we clearly given in the table lysine and arginine is belongs to the basic amino acid. Why? Because there is a presence of more number of NH2 groups. That's why it is belongs to the basic amino acids. Okay, this is a hint what we have to go follow that. And the next is so already I mentioned acidic amino acid. Acidic amino acids are the amino acid which is containing more number of COOH groups. Okay, so such a type of amino acids is called as acidic amino acid, which is belongs to acidic amino acid is the name itself is mentioned here. Aspartic acid. Aspartic acid is belongs to the what acidic amino acid because it's containing more number of COOH groups when compared to the NH2 groups. Next, which of the following molecule is capable of forming deuterion? Means what is meaning of zwitterion? When you discuss the properties of the zwitterion is nothing but the amino acid can able to lose the hydrogen from the COH. The NH2 group is can able to accept the proton from donated by COH. Okay, COH group can able to donate the proton, NH group can able to accept the that proton. Okay, so the amino acid is the only can capable to donate the proton, and NH2 group can capable to accept the proton. Such type of molecule is called as deuterion. These all are two, three, four options. In these three options, there is no any amino acid. These are not belongs to the amino acid. First one only is belongs to the amino acid. That's why it is belongs to the zwitterion. Okay, so that's why A option is correct. Next one is the amino acids are colorless and crystalline and insoluble in water. The colorless, crystalline, soluble in water, colorless, crystalline, solid, soluble in water. Last one is colorless, amorphous solid, soluble in water. The correct option is the amino acids are colorless and it is a crystalline solids and it is soluble in water. Why? Because amino acids should be soluble in water because it should be absorbed in our body. That's why amino acids are must and should soluble in our water. Which of the following statement is correct? Correct statement. There's a four options they're providing to you. Which option is belongs to the correct and which remaining three options are belongs to the wrong? We discuss. Proteins are polyamides formed from the amino acids. You know that. Mm, Two or more amino acids are linked by amide linkage. Okay, so amide linkage, then there is a formation of proteins is nothing but it is a polyamides which are from the amino acid. That's why this statement is correct. Except glycine, all amino acids are show the optical activity. This is also correct. Why? Because see, glycine structure is CH H, and it is the what COOH, and it is the what NH2. Okay, so this is not a chiral carbon. Glycine, this is not a chiral carbon because there is a presence of what? Two similar groups here. That's why it is a optically inactive amino acid. Except glycine, all amino acids are optically active. Only glycine is optically inactive. Naturally, proteins are made up of L isomer of amino acids. Okay, in alpha amino acid, NH2 and COOH groups are attached to the different carbon atoms. So among that, the wrong statement is uh, this is a wrong statement. A fourth one is a wrong statement. Why? Because in amino acid, NH2 and COH groups are attached to different carbon. Sorry, in amino acid, see here the COOH and NH2 groups, this is one of the amino acid, right? Okay, it is a glycine amino acid. Look at this glycine amino acid. NH2 group and COOH group both are present to same carbon. It is not present to the different carbon. That's why. So fourth option is incorrect. Even third option is also correct. Okay. So this is the today's session about the amino acids. Okay, now in next session we are going to discuss about the proteins, and also we are going to discuss about the nucleic acids. Then this chapter will be closed. Okay, and even we'll discuss a little bit between the vitamins. Okay, thank you students. Please stay tuned in my channel to get the further updates. Thank you so much.